The power bank can be combined with various modules and provide strong power. Car washer. Better ergonomics. Comes with hose and water bag. 200 psi water pressure. 6 kinds of water outlet shapes. Comes with a dense foam spray can. 40 minutes battery life. Can be used to clean walls or floors. Can also water the garden. The power bank supply can supply power for car appliances such as car refrigerators. USB can output 22.5 W power. The top supports 15 W wireless charging. The power bank adopts Type-C charging interface. Vacuum cleaner. Tire inflator pump. Glare flashlight.